Jersey number 24 against jersey number 17. Cross pass to jersey number 4. To jersey number 24 for Trey. Jersey number 3. Darabang Kuya. Strike the middle. Cross pass to jersey number 16. Jersey number 16. Pass against jersey number 2. Corner pass to jersey number 29. 40-second shot clock. To jersey number 24. 6-second. What makes it up? Score 5-2, 3-point lead para sa Barangay Tabi. Jersey number 80 pass, jersey number 70, Bangkuyo. The interception, jersey number 29. Jersey number 27, the other ball. Jersey number 24. There's a foul coming, jersey number 24. Jersey number 16. That is first foul, second team foul para sa Barangay Ilang-Ilang. 19-second shot clock, 19 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 24. Agad ang pagpapasara ng jersey number 27. Jersey number 8. Getting out. Jersey number 80 pass to jersey number 16. Corner pass to jersey number 2 for Trey. 8 seconds. Fighting for the ball. Intercept jersey number 18 is still off attacking the liver. Lace it up. Jersey number 29. That is first foul. First team foul para sa Barangay Tabi. Bonus free throw for jersey number 18, Lisho. On the shot is no good. Score 5-4. A 1-point lead para sa Barangay Tabi. Jersey number 34. Waiting for his teammate to jersey number 29. 15-second shot clock. Jersey number 4 and Pasag in jersey number 2. A big ball, his big move. 8-second shot on the jersey number 59 Logan. Hesitate move. Big up as the jersey number 4-second shot clock. Intercept the jersey number 18. Pass the jersey number 22. Masyado malakas turnover. Para sa Barangay Ilang-Ilang. Time remaining 7 minutes and 40 seconds to play. Para sa ating first quarter score 5-4. Lopez, pass to Narvasa. Calling the play against jersey number 2. Nice big dito. Calling jersey number 27. Narvasa running shot is no good. Body for the ball. On jersey number 27. Call up fullback. It's good for 2. Jersey number 16. Anyan. To jersey number 18. Jersey number 28. Adan Given. Oh, this is ball. Same ball. 14 on the shot clock, 14 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 18. Baseline inbound. Running jersey number 28. Almost intercept the way in Bangkuyo. 10 on the shot clock. Jersey number 17. Corner pass to jersey number 2 for Trey. And some of the ball technical. Jersey number 8. Jersey number 8. 3 minutes further. Submission. Second out free throw for jersey number 2. Taking a throw is no good. Ball possession para sa Barangay Tabi. Time remaining 7 minutes and 7 seconds to play. Jersey number 24, 6-second ball down. The Demon lays it up. He's going to lay off. He's good for 2. 6 minutes and 50 seconds to play. Jersey number 18, corner pass to jersey number 2. 15 on the shot clock. Jersey number 17, Bangkuyo. Jersey number 24, jersey number 28 for Trey. Yes, look at body for the ball. Okay, jersey number 8, Lisho up and under. That's the basket. That's a son of a foul. Jersey number, who's not up?